What's up, y'all? I am in the woods of East Texas. I live in the Beaumont area, and Hurricane Laura hit last night. I had to evacuate. And I'm up in the woods about 2 hours north of Beaumont. And we got about Category 1, Category 2 hurricane force weather here. Pretty good storm. Don't know about my house yet, if it's even still standing, how much damage I have. No telling when I'm gonna find that out. When the roads will be clear for me to go back home, but hopefully my house made it okay. We'll see. The body of water right there is the edge of Rayburn Lake in East Texas. I'm staying at my girlfriend's parents' lake house. I have a camp not far from here, but the roof caved in. You know what, I've been working on it the last few months, so it's not really livable right now. That's it for this portion. One down tree up here so far. The lake is really rough. The neighbor down there got a down tree. The wind's blowing the rain so hard it's like mist. And here's my place up in the woods of East Texas. I hadn't been here, you know, I came a couple months ago, but other than that, I hadn't been here in 3 years. So 3 years of neglect. All the porch is rotten, need to tear it all out. the railing, I mean the roof right here, that stuff's rotten. Down there is rotten. I mean, I can save the metal, but pretty much that porch has got to get torn down. Now, if y'all look in here, this used to be a front porch that was closed in when I was a kid, because this is my parents' place. But leaf buildup in water will do that within 3 years' time of not cleaning off the roof. Oh, that's the shingles I tore off a couple weeks ago. Now I'm gonna tear down this porch and rebuild it, but when I do, I'm leaving those windows, and it's gonna be like a dog tunnel porch. I'm gonna tear down that side wall over there and leave it open, and I'm gonna tear down this wall with the door and leave it open, but I'm gonna rebuild and leave that wall with the windows. This garage has got to be completely torn down. My place mostly came out okay. There's a tree about to fall over there, except back here. Oh, now my property, that tree line, and then it cuts in on this tree line here. But I got this lot, the lot the house sits on, and then that line of trees right there. My property goes to the street and then cuts down there and then over there to that street. So it does kind of like a zigzag, because I don't own that lot, but I'm gonna try and get it. This lot at the top of the hill is mine, with this little building that used to be a wash house, but it's got to get torn down. I'm gonna transfer the washing machine and dryer to in the house. And this is the damage I had from this hurricane up in East Texas. From street to street is mine. But there used to be a storage house right there that now has a tree on it, which doesn't really hurt my feelings all that much, because I was gonna tear down that house too. The important thing is the house. From that corner to that corner is fine. Tear down the garage, tear down that porch, tear down the front porch, and the house will be fine. Oh wow. Completely demolished it. Now, there was nothing in there of value. Somebody already came in and stole what few tools I had left in there and used it as their own personal garbage dump. So there's nothing but garbage in there. So bulldoze that. Let's see, I lost that tree, and then this tree uprooted. So I got 2 trees that are down. Now, there used to be a trailer right where I'm standing from that pole, right through this clear spot. It's a 2-bedroom trailer, but I had it hauled off about a decade ago. It finally got crappy. But this was my parents' place. My dad died about 20 years ago. My mom about 2 years ago. So now it's mine. And, 3 years of not coming up here and messing with it damn near ruined it. But it's fixable. Level the house, replace the siding, and the house will be done. Tear down this garage, tear down the 2 porches. I'll probably have that moved further away from the house, just because that always made me nervous, having that propane tank there that close to the house. Yeah. Now, there is a problem with thieving up here. Meth heads and the like. So I'm gonna make sure this door's still locked, and then I'm heading back to Beaumont and find out how much damage I have at my house there. All right, that's good. All right, quick look of the woods of East Texas. Those chickens are not mine. Those chickens are theirs. I hate hurricanes. All right, see you shortly. Here I am at home in Beaumont. I had this gazebo thing in my front yard demolished. I got a wire down right there, like cable or internet or something. I already climbed on the roof. I'm only missing 2 shingles. Yep. And no garage door, and the house is all good. Just a whole lot of cleanup, really, and that's it. Up at my camp was worse. My little cat tower's broken. That broke. So that's trash, but the wind was coming from this direction. So I'm surprised all this I stacked on the porch survived. And I'm surprised that little fence down there survived. But that's it. Even my shop way back in the backyard's just behind that garage. I didn't even lose the metal roof to that. But all right, that's it. I will see y'all in the next one.